Hey everybody, Phil with Mission Wanderer here. So today I'm out doing a little bit of practicing with the metal detector in the test bed. I mean, what better place to hone up on your skills is with as busy as we are from day to day. You know, you need to keep sharp and keep those numbers in your head. We forget so much. So using a test bed, always a good case. Check out my test bed video. Wooden flags, great. They don't interfere with your other detecting. You can go through, mark an area. They're hard to find, but these ones I made. Probably should have a better shovel, but you grab what you have handy. It's okay. I was hoping to get it all up without damaging it, but this grass is pretty thick. Did I move it? Looks like a Washington quarter. Just a clad, 1984. By the way, looking at the map here that we have for the test bed, we were right here. So 2 inches, standard quarter.